Did you delete your important photos mistakenly? Don't worry, in this video I will tell you how you can restore deleted photos.
Any tech hacks.
Now on the search bar you have to write disk digger. Now install it. Now open it.
Now start basic photo scan. In few seconds you will be able to access all the deleted photos on your device. Now you can see your photos are back. You can save these photos on the gallery. Just click on the three dots and save this file locally. Now select any folder. Now your file has been saved. Now go to File Manager. Search that folder. Now you can see your file has been saved.
Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like technical hacks and tricks, don't forget to subscribe on Any Tech Hacks.